Yeah, baby, what's up? How are you doing? Yeah, I'm fine, I'm fine. Where are you? Oh, you're at home. Doing what? Alright, I'm just at home, lonely, doing nothing. Please, can you come and join me? Alright, I'll be waiting. Alright, I love you. Okay. Oh boy.
Hello, Puppy.
Ah, baby.
Say hi.
What's up, how you doing?
Fine.
How is the day?
Okay.
How's everybody in the house?
Everyone is fine.
Have a seat. What's up, how you doing?
Just there. Everything is just.
You don't throw me like this. Don't even ask for me. Don't even if I don't call you, don't call me shit.
The call. Now, I'm supposed to call you.
So you know, so now let me go. They call you.
Now, not really love you.
Love, so you don't really love me.
Wow. Who's this guy? He's staying in your house.
My new neighbor.
Wow, so cute. Look at his hair.
We know. Look at my hair too.
That is fine.
So stop looking at his own. Don't mind him.
Look at his dress.
All these boys they'll be doing like all these Igbo boys. They like packaging. Better stop looking at him.
Cha Chineke, this babe makes sense. Oh,
What do you eat today?
That's rice.
No, you're also fine.
Love.
I love you.
Sweetheart.
Hey, straight there. See for this compound. If you don't take time, what I go do for this compound? Why they like I my girl if I my girl they come see me? See this boy, if I catch you go not say me I be compound one boy.
Sabi me.
I be compound cultist. Cross comot. I be compound cultist. You know who I be? Oh, see. You this boy. I go show you say, oh, na wrong way. Come on. You want me to show you left? Come on, I go force you. Yeah.
Make me yo, nsuto waido mi yo. Sao, we medeli mboro songi dungo. Oh.
Oh, God! Abeg, una come. Hey, bros, come.
What's up for you? What's up for you?
They are just fighting, oh.
Why for waiting?
Because of woman.
Hey! Poor woman, you don't die.
enough for my things,
Look at this guy.
Hey!
God, oh.
Yeah, now you want to put my kill yourself. Oh, now you fire, oh.
God, woman, this guy don't like that, oh.
Hey! This side.
Sorry, oh. Oh. Wow. See what woman she cost for this one. Look at now. Now because of this girl there, now where that boy die. Wait till make him die.
But the girl fit die from, like
Who
Romeo and
fit die?
Juliet.
Which girl fit die?
Now Romeo and
For
Juliet
Nigeria.
now.
Which Romeo and Juliet? Look at what she do. She do waka. See the other one where they there. You see, now kill her. See how you there. My friend.
This is a friend.
Yes. Rest in peace, oh. It sounds as a warning to everybody. Don't die because
What is happening?
And even the great to die for woman.
Why is everybody crying?
Where they go?
Baby,
Where they go?
why are you saying like this? I go, are you not hearing me?
I cannot die for any woman.
Hey! Chibuzo! Hey! What is happening? Baby!
Come. You don't go die because of woman.
Baby, are you not hearing me? Hey!
Stop crying now.
What? I said this evil boy.
Okay.
Why are you holding him? Baby, are you not hearing me? Baby, are you not hearing me?
Okay, I'll do.
Why even do like I said? Baby! Agoto! Akpan! Hey! What is happening? Nobody is listening to me. Agoto!
Say to the social distance, lockdown, open of
Social
market on Monday, Wednesday, and
Why Nana Lama talk finish?
Una wait now. I been at the share this thing.
Da, you sure waiting? Okay, wait. You won't get this thing.
I need them. I don't follow.
You know I go take out get them.
I don't know how I go take it out.
keep social distance.
Mona listen. If we won't get these nose marks, Mona go subscribe to Akoto Comedy. Wait till I talk.
Just to subscribe,
If you subscribe, you don't get them.
Abi.
Yes.
I don't subscribe now. I don't subscribe.
You don't subscribe? Might just dash you my own now.
God bless you.
Social distance. Don't touch me, I beg.
Can you see that?
Subscribe.
Subscribe to Akoto Comedy.
Subscribe.